Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off vanishing mode on Instagram. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do this, all you want to do is go to the Instagram app, and then click on the icon in the top right corner. From here, you'll be at your messages. You just want to go ahead and select whoever you want to have the vanishing mode to. I'll go ahead and choose Mr. Beast, for example. So as you can see, I can swipe up to turn on vanishing mode right above my message text box. So if I swipe up, as you can see, I'm in vanish mode. However, if I want to go back, all I need to do is swipe up again, as you can see. But in vanishing mode, all the messages will disappear when you close this chat, which makes it kind of nice if you don't want people to see your chat. But that's how you get vanishing mode on Instagram. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.